Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money to your ByBit account. I didn't do that, but if you verify your account, you are available to deposit money to your account. Then after that, what you need to do is you need to click here on this yellow button, and then you can decide if you want to deposit crypto, euros, or buy with euros. I want to do something with euros, so I click on deposit euros, and then right now you can fill in the amount of euros that you want to deposit, and then after that you can click right there. So let's do for example 1. You can click here on continue, and then right now he will send you through all the steps that you need to do to deposit money to your account. So right now, if you can see, your ID verification is on the review. Please try again once it's complete, or select another payment method. So for now it's not possible for me, but you can do all these steps once you verified your account. So this is how you can deposit money on ByBit. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.